My name is Austin Lohman, and today I want to talk about how drones are commonly mistaken for UFOs. In recent years, reports of unidentified flying objects have increased, but so has the use of consumer and commercial drones. What many people interpret as something extraterrestrial is often a piece of modern technology operating exactly as designed. Drones can hover in place, they can change direction abruptly, they can ascend vertically without a runway. At night, they display blinking LED navigation lights, red, green, and white, which can look unusual from a distance, especially against a dark sky when viewed without depth reference points. Their size and speed are easily misjudged. Historically, organizations like NASA and the U.S. Department of Defense have investigated aerial sightings. In many cases, ultimately turn out to have conventional explanations: aircraft, atmospheric effects, satellites, or now, drones. Even high-profile attention around unidentified aerial phenomena from agencies such as the Office of the Director of National Intelligence has emphasized that unidentified does not mean alien. It simply means the object has not yet been classified. What's changed is accessibility. Thousands of hobbyists now own quadcopters equipped with stabilization systems, GPS positioning, and high-intensity lighting. A small drone a few hundred feet away can appear silent, luminous, and erratic, especially if the observer is unfamiliar with drone flight patterns. Human perception fills gaps with imagination. When something moves in a way we don't immediately understand, the brain looks for the most dramatic explanation. But in most cases, the explanation is technological, not extraterrestrial. Understanding this doesn't remove wonder from the sky, it simply shifts it. The mystery isn't aliens visiting Earth, the mystery is how quickly human innovation has transformed our airspace. Thank you.